Ole, ole, ole.
What kind of intro is that, brother?
Sorry, my bad, my bad.
I can't believe this, brother. Today we're going to be unboxing the Titan heat gun pistola. So this is a heat gun, 2000 watts, brothers. Look at that, beautiful. You get 2 years warranty guarantee, and yeah, that's your code, Amazon voucher code. They give you £2,000. Don't worry about that.
What's this for one month?
Oh, so it shows you the gun. No, why is it just zooming into random bits of the
airflow? Probably he's trying to say it's a rubber handle or something, and then I think that's how you control it.
You can do up to 600 degrees.
Yeah.
500 liters a minute of air. Wow. Ergonomic design, integrated stand allows the gun to sit upright. Bloody hell, it's like a sentry gun. Adjustable airflow and temperature. It's got 3 settings, I believe. 3 speed settings or something. 3 heat settings. And yeah, it's like a little briefcase. I like it. And this was £22.
Yeah.
Yeah, from Screwfix. I'll leave a link in the description. Make sure you buy one, because winter is coming.
Damn.
That is nice, you know.
It's like an actual case.
Look at that case unboxing, guys. Beautiful, lads. Yeah, bottom to top. That is actually nice, you know. Put it flat down, yeah. It's gonna go flying. Oh shit!
Oh man, it's got actual attachments and shit.
What the fuck? Look at that, man. Nah, that is nice for 22 quid. That is nice.
What does one of these do?
Fuck. So this, you put it up, you heat it up and shove it up someone's ass when they're being naughty. I'm joking. I actually don't know what this is for. These are attachments, yeah. Oh shit, that's nice. These are very sharp attachments. Yeah, let's not touch that. Bloody hell, how did you get that? Bloody hell, that's in there. Some next level attachments. That's all.
Things are wrong way.
Alright, yeah, sorry brother. You sure it's the same shit? Yeah, fuck it.
It'll just because it needs to be tight.
Yeah, remember, clicked out. You had to put heavy for us to get it out. Yes, alright. It's in there?
Probably.
Okay, we don't need these attachments for the job we're going to use anyway. But you got plenty of attachments. I don't know what this triangle is though. What the fuck? I'm guessing it's something to do with this. Anyone know what this is? Let me know. Oh shit. Watch out, it's 2000 watts. 650 degrees, brother. You might burn your ass off. It's getting hot.
No.
No.
So I've only got it on one. Oh yeah, actually it's getting hot.
Don't put too close.
Okay, now.
Oh yeah, I can feel it from here. Fucking hell, that's hot. Yeah, don't use. You think? Oh, I can smell that.
Yeah, this is brand new, isn't it? So
Oh.
this is going through.
Ah, it's horrible, guys. Yeah, I think we're gonna use.
Yeah,
I think one will be right.
No, we need to use 2, I think.
I think it gets hotter though.
That's
Too hot.
That's 2.
Well, you know, when you run it, I think it gets hotter. We'll have to see anyway.
No, because I've just run it on the max one.
Yeah.
So this is 1. Actually, maybe
That's hot, yeah. That's what I'm saying. When you run it, it's gonna get hotter. That's tingling. Okay, well, that tingles.
Alright.
That is actually right, you know.
At least it works.
Alright, so make sure you plug this in beautiful, guys. Ah, don't kill me!
I'll do it, bro.
You
I'll
bastard.
do it, bro.
Don't kill me, bro.
Yeah.
If your oven breaks, make sure you use this to cook some beans.
Put your pants on.
What the fuck? Alright, good night. Thank you guys for watching. Good night. Subscribe. Bye bye.